Hi everyone, welcome back to Shib. This is the actual plan for Shib's zero drop this week. Today's news is Shiba Inu. In this video, we'll discuss how exactly Shib will drop zero this week. Shiba Inu news today. Bulls could book up to 30% gains on the back of this breakout trade. Shiba price is setting up for a breakout trade later in the US session on Wednesday. The chart points to an inflection point with several indicators. Bulls need to roll the dice here if they want to use the momentum to their advantage. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. The price of the Shiba Inu is seeing positive intervention during the European session. On Wednesday, the 200-day simple moving average, or SMA, offered support and maintained the price movement above 0.00100. Bulls are rubbing up against the red descending trend line, which will serve as the line in the sand for a breakout ship. The breakout is not bearing any strong resistance levels until the 55-day SMA, which is just above 0.000000112,000. This means that bulls can reclaim that psychological number should more tailwinds come in from the influential gaming expo, which could see a ship see more inflow with 0.0013 by Friday in its forecast. The bigger risk to the downside is posed by the green ascend. The Shiba Inu community has pushed for the listing of SHIB tokens on major Japanese cryptocurrency exchanges. Bitflyer, one of the biggest exchanges in Japan with over 2.5 million users, announced that it would start supporting the trading of SHIB tokens. Shibainu, the second largest meme coin in the world, is continuing to expand its footprint throughout the market. Bitfly made the news earlier today, on March 22. The Japanese company has not yet disclosed any specifics of its strategy, but it did announce a SHIB handling celebration with a 10,000 Japanese yen prize pool for 20 eligible winners. The campaign will launch on March 22, as soon as Bitflyer begins managing the SHIB. It wasn't Bitflyer who handled SHIB transactions as the first Japanese cryptocurrency exchange. On February 28 of last month, OKCoin Japan, the San Francisco-based exchange's Japanese unit, began managing SHIB transactions. In addition, the exchange said that the Shiba Inu listing received positive feedback in a different development. The Shiba Inu saw a significant increase in its burn rate, which increased by 4,600%. Theory states that this sharp increase in the burn rate of the SHIB cryptocurrency will result in a higher valuation for the asset because it will effectively reduce supply. However, the market price of the SHIB cryptocurrency hasn't moved much and has stayed relatively stable, which has confused investors. As of this writing, the market capitalization of the SHIB cryptocurrency is $6.4 billion, with a market value of 0.187. The SHIB meme coin is trading at 0.187. For the past 2 weeks, the SHIB price has fluctuated somewhat, but Shiba decided not to join the rise, indicating that the future of cryptocurrencies is unknown for traders and investors. The core development team of Shiba Inu has been slow to release the Layer 2 scaling protocol, Shibum, and there are other projects in line ahead of Shibum's release. The highly anticipated metaverse, Shib, is set to debut on the Sharian platform, while popular cryptocurrency enthusiast David Jin recently stated that his bet of Shib at 0.01 still remains valid, with Balagazan betting for BTC price to be at $1 million. However, this would mean a massive 100 times gains for the current SHIB price if Jin has not promised to delete his Twitter with 700,000 followers. Inu has been a very slow mover in the recent market rally, but some analysts are still bullish about it. A cryptocurrency wallet with a sizable quantity of Shiba Inu tokens is transferring money to exchanges. Past data indicates that if the holder were to sell the tokens, the value would likely drop in the near future. During Monday's Asian morning hours, wallet ZXD6 sent more than 1882 billion Shiba Inu coins to cryptocurrency exchanges Gemini and Crypto.com. 3 months ago, the same wallet moved more than 200 billion SHIB to Crypto.com, where they were sold for US dollars, according to statistics provided by analytics firm Look On Chain. SHIB's price dropped by 7% at the time. Tokens moved from wallets holding a sizable quantity of supply can be used as a gauge of price movement. If a lot of tokens are sold, the price may drop because there will be more supply available to the market if the tokens are transferred to relevant decentralized finance applications, though this drop may not happen right away. The wallet 0xD6, according to additional scan data, is holding more than 3.1 trillion Shiba tokens, which are now valued at about 40 million. This is little more than 0.3% of the total supply of Shiba tokens. According to the Inu tokens appear on chain, the wallet purchased Shiba Inu tokens in August 2020 for an initial 10 Ether ETH investment, or little more than $3,000 at the time. Despite a spike in the price of Bitcoin, the price of Shiba Inu coin has been fluctuating. While Bitcoin struggles against its $28,000 barrier, the Mehmet coin is now trailing behind the majority of cryptocurrencies. As investors wait for the introduction of its Layer 2 network on Friday, the SHIB price chart appears to be the calm before the storm. As of press time, the popular meme coin is trading at 0.0167, slightly up 0.85% from its monthly lows and 32% below its YTD. The current highs in the SHIB's price appear to be in a sideways accumulation pattern, suggesting that a significant move may be approaching soon. Lately, the majority of SHIB news has focused on the eagerly awaited introduction of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, which has grown to be one of the most anticipated events for the cryptocurrency community and could put upward pressure on the price of the Shiba Inu coin. The primary net launch date of the new blockchain has not yet been revealed, and its developers are still keeping things under wraps. The Koyo token is a decentralized finance project DeFi based on the Ethereum blockchain that aims to provide a platform where users can access various financial services including lending, borrowing, and staking in a decentralized manner. The public beta version of the network has been live since March 11, but the hype of the new coin blockchain has taken a hit due to the use of a chain ID for an existing blockchain, as mentioned by a community member in the Discord. The following SHIB chart shows that the price has created a lower low on the daily chart. Technically, analysts consider this as a sign of weakness and the beginning of a potential downtrend. Additionally, the price is consolidating below the 0.0000001086 support and trading below its 200-day moving average. The project has burned a staggering 4,631 billion SHBA, despite the token having a market cap of only 8.4 million and ranking 3,180 on CoinMarketCap. The quantity of Inu tokens, roughly $50,000, in the last 10 days has contributed significantly to the SHIB's destruction in the last 2 weeks. There has even been discussion about the accuracy of the figures, but the statistics were recently verified by the Shu dedicated burn tracker. That concludes our coverage for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share the channel, and subscribe to watch our most recent videos. Shiba tokens were burned via the burn portal. The quantity of burnt SHIB tokens that can be linked to the Koyo token address is proof of the burn tokens.